Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dwight with Retro Crypto. The theme for this video is Cardano. If you can't tell, I'm a huge Cardano supporter. Been a supporter for a long time. But before we get started, remember, I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential you do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. All right. Now, with all that said, we are at a whopping 563 subscribers. Just want to thank everybody who has subscribed. And if you haven't done it yet, please subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that like key. The like key. Now, that's enough of that. I want to get straight into the meat and potatoes, as I like to say. Bitcoin is having an awesome day today. Things are swinging bullish. Looks like we bottomed out with Bitcoin, which is good news. Everybody's got their fingers crossed and it's looking good. We're just hoping that it's not like a dead cat bounce or a bull trap or anything like that. But it's hard to say. Only time will tell. But it's looking really good. It's looking like this bull run isn't over. But we know how it goes. As Richard Hart had predicted, he did predict it accurately. It did a major pullback. So did Trayvon James and Jason Appleton. Anyway, those are the three guys that I know for a fact called the top of the bull run. Now, is the bull run over or not? Who knows? Was that the bear market, and then the next one's a parabolic bull run? Nobody really knows. Everybody's just trying to predict what's going to happen next. But with all that said, Bitcoin is currently at 38,845. And Cardano is at $1.09. All right. So let's jump right into the technical analysis. This video will be covering technical analysis of Cardano and projects and what I'm doing. Now, don't necessarily do what I'm about to do because I'm a little bit of a risk taker at times, but I think it's a balanced risk. I'm going for it. All right. Now, with that said, you see Bitcoin right here is holding out very well at this line of resistance, and today it pulled up and it's at that 38,773 marker roughly right now. Yeah, I'm sorry, no, it's at 38,855 right now. So Bitcoin's looking really good. The moving average just crossed over. The 20-day moving average just crossed over the 50-day, and it's about to cross the 100-day. It gets no better than that, guys. That makes me excited, to tell you the truth. I'm going to have a drink, a big drink. I'm doing big things. All right, I'm just playing. I'm thirsty. Had a good day at the gym today. All right, right here the volume's really good. A lot of buying volume going on with Cardano, and the fear and greed indicator has us on the greedy side of things with Cardano. I'm sorry, with Bitcoin. These are Bitcoin. I'm sorry, with Bitcoin. So that is looking great. All right, now let's slide over here to Cardano's chart. All right, well, as you can see, Cardano still is on a downtrend, and it's still holding this line of resistance right here. Um, hmm, the but at least it's holding out strongly. You know what I mean? It's not bouncing all over the place. But every time it hits that resistance line, it does. I've heard it said before that it can weaken it, so we'll see what happens. Uh, the MACD chart has us going with a bullish sentiment right now. So yes, I consider the sentiment towards Cardano as bullish, according to the MACD. Uh, Now, the moving averages for Cardano is a little bit more interesting than Bitcoin. The 50-day and the 20-day look like they're in a tug of war. I can't actually tell the two colors apart. So they're actually directly in line with each other. We want to see this swing around a little bit and start heading up to this 100-day, and then we're good. The RSI has Cardano slightly on the overbought side. And like I said, the MACD has it on bullish. So Cardano's looking great right now, guys. All right. Let's see what else we got going on over here. The Bollinger Bands right now with Cardano definitely have it on the other overbought side. It is definitely riding that top line right now, so that's looking awesome. And yeah, it's just looking great. It's just a good day for once. You know what I mean? All right, now this is a free version of Market Cipher. I am not a Market Cipher pro at all, but I am trying to learn, and I probably will purchase the more advanced version. But right now, I just want to play around with the free version. So it's very basic though, but these triangles indicate a change in the trend, and the green will indicate longs where you can go long, and the X's where you can short it. And obviously, if you take a look at this chart right here, going back in time a little bit, you can see that it suggested going long here. Well, it was a trend change, and then it said go long. Okay, and then up right here, shorted, came straight down. Trend changed briefly. Then it gave the X a shorted. You see how it works here. Now this is just a free version, so right now it's giving an indicator to go long on Bitcoin. So I'm sorry, to go long on Cardano. All right, so you want to definitely give consideration to, might be a good point to go long with Cardano. Actually, I've been going long. I don't really believe in trading, like shorting and longing the market. But if that's your thing, hey. But I love doing technical analysis, so I get a better understanding what's going on out there. Now, if you look down here, this is in line with, it's just bullish sentiment right now, guys. So it's looking good. It's looking very good. Yeah. All right. So that's a little bit for my market cipher. Now, granted, as I get better with it, I'm probably going to buy the version I've been wanting to buy for years. I'm a cheap guy. I'm a very frugal guy. I'm very frugal, but I love to invest. So it works out for me. You know what I mean? But anyway, guys. So let's keep this moving. All right. Muesli Swap. I called this one, guys. Everybody said Muesli Swap was a joke. It wasn't real. They weren't going to make it. Ooh, Sunday Swap's going to save Cardano, which I'm still not impressed with Sunday Swap. And I'm really not impressed with the airdrop. I thought the airdrop was going to be a bit stronger for me staking with them. And I was not impressed at all with what it says I'm going to receive and the amount that I staked. I'm just not impressed. I would have been better off leaving it with Ray Network, to tell you the truth. But anyway, it is what it is. Let's move forward. Muesli Swap, I'm really liking this project. Don't sleep on this project, guys. It's not really a project. It's a DEX. It was the first DEX on Cardano. And I tell you what, all my initial trades, that's where I got the World Mobile Token and CNFT. I brought it on Muesli Swap, and I was quite happy with the transaction. It's a little confusing at first, but once I figured it out, easy to go. Good to go. I did a video on that a little while back. Let's see here. I want to jump up here to the markets real quick. Now, this is what I'm going to be doing. Do not do what I'm doing, but I'm going to actually probably be shifting over about 2,000 ADAs, and I'm going to be digging through here tomorrow. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find projects that I really, really like that I think it's a good buy. I think Liquid is a little expensive, especially at this point, so I'm not doing that with Liquid. But like Milk is the token for Muesli Swap. VYFi, they just had a release today with World Mobile Token of them partnering, or it may have been yesterday. It was in Twitter. You got the Sunday Swap in here. I mean, I'm just playing. I'm getting some Sundays. I'm getting quite a bit of Sunday Swap actually. Whenever they do the airdrop with what are they? Drip drops. I already have some World Mobile Token. I probably want more. It's doing quite well for me right now. MELD. I don't know anything about Mint T. Pavia. I'm kind of questionable on this one. I wasn't really impressed with this metaverse. But as you see, like right now, Cardano's what, like $1.09. Sometimes it's just better to, if you throw enough crap on a wall, something's bound to stick. So if I take it $30 at the wall. So I'm just being hypothetical, guys. But this is how I did it originally. This is how I was doing things on the bear market. And you'd be surprised what some of these projects did. But I thought that would give me 232. So $30 would give me 232. I don't want to call it shares, tokens of Pavia. Now, say Pavia does kick off and it actually turns into something. So say Pavia eventually is worth 0.75 Cardano. Wow. Wow. Okay. All right. So say Pavia eventually is worth 0.75 Cardano. So that would be, man, I messed my math up. This is kind of embarrassing, guys. Let's start over, okay? Please forgive me. $30 divided by, or say 30 ADA divided by 0.129. Oh my God, this is embarrassing. That's 232. So say 232. Oh man, my math's all messed up. You know why? Anyway, you guys are smart. I'm being real stupid right now. I'm kind of excited. Forgive me. You get the idea of what I'm doing. Buy low, sell high. This is the bottom floor. You want to get on the bottom floor. You don't want to wait and get in when it's up. Everybody at work, that where I work, everybody knows how much I'm into crypto. I have a lot of coworkers, and this happens every freaking week. I'm so glad I was off today. Bitcoin's in the green. Everybody comes running to me to ask me questions. I tell them what to do. They do nothing. And when it's in red, I say, this is when you need to do it. I'm not interested no more. And I know you guys are living it too, especially if you're watching this video. But let's see. Let's keep this rolling. CNFT, I think this is a very good. I already have some of this, but this is the NFT prep, and they've been around since the summer, and they're definitely the #1 CNFT platform, the NFT platform for Cardano, as far as I'm concerned. Hosky, this is Cardano's meme token. Not a fan of meme tokens, but I brought some. I got it on the drip drops. But anyway. Anyway, the list goes on and on, guys, but there's some really good ones in here. You get the idea, and it's really easy. The longer you're in the game, the easier it is to pick out the questionable stuff. Like right here, this one here, MEN. Let's take a look at MEN real quick. Driving into liquidity, MEN Swap is a multi-pool decentralized exchange on Cardano. Are they up and running? They're at the testnet phase. Swap tokens. See, I'm not going to buy any more decentralized exchange because I'm on Muesli Swap right now. So it's just, I just don't see why it's necessary. I probably won't buy into this one. This will probably make me feel like an idiot one day, but I'm not doing it. But anyway, that's the idea behind it all. I'm going to do some research into that. And you guys definitely want to look into X-Ray. They have serious potential, in my opinion. All right, now moving on. Sorry for babbling so much. Like I said, it's a great day, so I'm a little overly excited. MELD. MELD, you definitely want to look into MELD. Purchase a little bit of MELD. They should be on Muesli Swap. They should be on more than just Muesli. Yeah, they're there. And they should be on Sunday Swap too. But MELD is, let's read it. Your mental wealth, the banking stack for DeFi. Yeah. MELD is the first DeFi non-custodial banking protocol. You can securely lend and borrow both crypto and fiat currencies with ease and stake your MELD tokens to APY. How it works. Very briefly, how it works. Take out a loan using MELD app. Choose how much cash you like to borrow. Add your cryptos as collateral. So this is very similar to Celsius Network. Long story short, I'll read some more. Earn yield on your crypto. Earn all the time. Pay back the loan. So it's like Celsius Network, basically, where you put up double whatever you want to borrow. So your collateral is worth double in crypto, whatever you want to borrow. But I have seen a platform like Liquid on Pulse that's being built for Pulse Chain, where that collateral can be, I know stocks is called a call, liquidated. Yeah, liquidated if the value doesn't drop down. You got to keep it up, to equal out. But I'm not quite sure how MELD works 100% with that, but it's definitely a project to keep your radar. I knew about this project last summer, but I was unable to get into the ISO, so I just kind of moved on. And then I saw a video today by a huge crypto guy, Cardano guy, and I was like, oh yeah, MELD, I gotta get some. I wanted to get some. I forgot about it. Oh yeah, you definitely want to look out for this project here. This is another one that caught my eye today. It just got put on Muesli Swap. We have just listed CLAP, the utility token card. We have just listed CLAP, the utility token of CardaShift for trading on Muesli Swap. So I just took a quick look at this, and it says, one second. All right. CardaShift. Here it is. CardaShift's community-run launchpad that raises funds, builds, and accelerates startups that are solving social and environmental issues. CLAP utility token brings CardaShift's ecosystem to life. Like I said, when I'm looking around these bottom floor brand new projects, they're coming fast. I'm already liking what I hear, and I'm already liking the concept. So I definitely am going to be doing some research into this one, and more likely I'm picking up some of this tomorrow. I'm picking up a lot of stuff tomorrow, if not tonight. But yeah, I really like the way this sounded, and that's just a market cipher thing for me. All right, now let's look up something very quickly. We're going to go to Twitter real quick, and I'm going to show you what I was talking about with Vi. If you guys aren't on Twitter, you're hurting yourselves, and it's a major disadvantage. So make sure you guys get an account on Twitter. I know I'm always saying it, but I figure if I say it enough, somebody will listen. Okay, this will have to do, guys. Had to pause it to find something. Like, remember I said Wi-Fi or Muesli Swap? Vi Finance forms a strategic collaboration with Mobile Token, which is going to be huge, guys. Absolutely huge. Do not sleep on that project. But Vi Finance is thrilled to announce our strategic collaboration with World Mobile Token. Together, we will be an endeavor to build and grow the Cardano ecosystem to new heights through the introduction of new staking pools and educational materials. This collaboration also assists in ensuring our two companies will develop and increase the environment of friendship and collaboration for time to come. Side by side, we will develop accessible education materials to users of the World Mobile Network. World Mobile will be bringing connectivity to millions of people who have been left offline across Africa. And they're serious, guys. They're really doing it. Anyway, I don't want to sit here and read this forever. Wi-Fi, World Mobile Token, they got a project together. They're going to be collaborating together. Both of them are the real deal. You guys really want to go to the bottom four of these projects. I can't say it enough. And I know I'm really being annoying, and I apologize, but you really want to be on the bottom floor. I'm going to start pumping out these Cardano videos. Not interested in it? That's cool. Don't watch them. But for those that are, please do. You're going to be happy. You're going to be so glad you did. But that's it for today's thing on Cardano. Hope that wasn't too loud in the speaker. Sorry, guys. Told y'all I'm pumped today. But yeah, that's it for today's video. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. And remember this. Stay blessed. Stay happy. And most of all, stay profitable. All right, guys. Peace out.